I'm in this tiny house. It's beautiful here. So actually it's our honeymoon, and we are here for our honeymoon. I just actually don't know where to look at. So sorry if it's weird.
Hey.
Hey.
Just making some pasta.
Let's make some pasta. Here is the kitchen.
Really cute kitchen.
Really cute kitchen, really handy. Here there is this, you know, they have everything here. And we actually bought some stuff. And they have, here you have your oven and all the equipments you need.
Yeah.
Here there is this thing for the fridge actually, and here there is a small cupboard for here's our stuff, to put your stuff.
opinion, cooking for the first time in a little tiny house compared to our own apartment that we're in, how do you feel about it? Do you think it's something that a lot of people can do?
You know what? I guess it's a bit challenging for people who actually lives in normal houses,
Right.
like ours and like most people.
Sure.
So yeah, I guess that would be a little challenging for most people, including us. Because, for example, like here now, I'm going to like chop some tomatoes and something for the lunch. So it would be a little bit
A little tight.
Tight, but I guess because this is an Airbnb and this is not something that people might live in.
Right.
Because I mean, okay, this is Airbnb, but on top of that, this is not an Airbnb in really touristy city.
Right.
So I guess not that much of people would come here to stay so long. So maybe just on weekends or something. And for that case, for that purpose, it's really good and handy, I guess.
Right.
Yeah, just. Ready? Say it.
Dinner's ready.
Okay. Here is our dinner for our honeymoon. You're happy?
Extremely
happy.
Extremely happy.